It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2013 F-150 STX in sterling gray with gray cloth interior, seating for 3. This is a regular cab, so it has about a 6.5 foot box, and it also has satellite radio as well as a CD player and a sliding rear window. It's got a 3.7 liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. You also have your trailer tow package, and it's really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're gonna have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.7 liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage in the door as well as a speaker, and you have a manually adjusting window as well as locks. Your driver's seat has the manual lumbar. Your passenger seat is manually adjusted, and we've got all weather mats on the floor, but you've got this nice vinyl flooring, so easy cleanup. Your brakes located there, and your lighting controls are here. And then when you get in, you're going to see on the face of the steering wheel you have your cruise control, and you've got your volume, your media, and hands-free dialing. I'm going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages and your odometer reading. And then you have an automatic select shifter that has tow haul on the end, and when we press it, you're going to see tow haul appear just above that little display screen and then off again. You got a place to put items up top, and you're seeing your display here with the time and the station. And you've got your hazard lights, traction control. There's also a CD player, and then down below you've got the menu that you can go through with the different options there. As you touch through, you can adjust your clock, and as well you've got AM, FM, CD, and auxiliary line, volume, and tuner. And then you've got your front defrost, AC and max AC. There's your fan and your climate control. There's a 12-volt USB is there, an auxiliary line in. Little cubby down below, you've got your 4x4 off to the side, and then in the center here you've got an armrest with your seat. You can just pop that up. It's got another seat belt, so another seating position, and you can unclip it. You've got room underneath, and then you can pull this out, and you've got a cup holder or just a bin there if you'd like. Little cubby, 12-volt, your glove compartments down below, grab handle in the body, manually dimming rear view mirror, and up top you have your dome lighting. 17-inch wheels, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side fuel cap, and the STX badging as well as the 4x4. And I've got the tailgate down. This is a 6.5 foot box, and it has tie downs in all 4 corners. And down below you can see that you've got a trailer tow hitch, plus you have the 4 and 7 pin connector. I'm just going to close it right up for you. And then when you're ready, just lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. This is a regular cab, so it has seating for 3. Now I've brought the front of the seat ahead and the back forward, so you can just see in the back. There's still lots of room behind the 2 seats, and you also have a manually sliding rear window here. And the nice vinyl flooring, that just keeps everything nice and clean. And then when you're ready, you just slide the seat forward and you're ready to go. Body colored bumper, 6.5 foot box, and this has flex fuel, which means it can use regular gasoline or ethanol. And you have tinted windows, as well as your side view mirrors, adjustable, halogen headlights, fog lights, and tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.